Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I'll write a simple Python program to use group by class, which is given by Python. Create a new file using group by. You can give any name, it's fine. Here kind should be Python file. Click OK. Now we have a new Python file. The group by class is in the iterated tools package. Okay, first we have to from iterated tools package we have to import group by. Let's do that. From iterated tools package import group by. So now we have group. We can use group by directly in our Python file. So for suppose a equals to 111 222 3344. So when we have an input or we have a variables value which is like this, so we have four ones, some number of twos, and two threes, and four fours. Okay, the group by class is used uh, to aggregate like all the same kind of stuff together. So it will do consecutively. If there is 111 here, this will be separate. Okay, so let's so it will give a key and a iterator object which can we can reuse to find the count, or we can print the with the help of the iterator object we can print the values. So for so it's a list. It will iterate through a. We are going to iterate now k comma b in group by of a. Print k comma b. Let's see what will be printed. Save, right click. Oh, we got an error. Int object is not iteratable, so it should be a string. Let's convert it to the string. Now it's good. Run the program. So yes, we got it. Has given the key 12341. Yes, right, 12341. So it will go from the left to right, and it gave a iterated tools dot underscore grouper object. We can convert this iterator object v to a list or a tuple. Let's convert this to a list. Okay, let's rerun the program again and let's see what will be the output. See, now we got 1. How many ones are there? 4 ones. 2, 9 twos are there. So like this we can get a count of it also. Length, see, 1 there are 4, 2 there are 9 twos, and 3 there are 2 twos, and 4 there are 4 fours, like that. So we have the key and then count of it. So this is how we can use the group by class. Thanks for watching the video. Please like and share.